Edit a video together. I'm going to make this is where my motorbike goes on at the back, and I'm going to try and make it, it actually doubles up as a fantastic workbench in lots of different ways. So anyway, I've decided to see if I can mount this grinder on here and on here. Supposed to use a centre punch, by the way, but I can't be bothered to go in and get one, and I know it's at the bottom of my toolbox. Change it to that, to cut that. Et voila! One bench grinder. Rock solid. I changed the plan slightly with the bolt, but so it's just a throw together at the moment. I just wanted to see if I could make it kind of work. But yeah, great. Another addition to the tool kit. Love you, squeeze you, hug you. Goodbye. On the road workshop. Yes, I know there's little bits in here, but that's no deal, that's no big deal compared to rubbing it down by hand, and I have done it. That's an absolute diamond of a setup there. A little bit of acid etch and that's ready for spraying. Got another one on the go down there. That's a fork tube there. So yeah, so there you go, mobile workshop, off-grid living. Love you, squeeze you, hug you. Goodbye. Good as new.